In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the PayPal button so that you could add it to your sales page. Right now I'm logged into my PayPal account, and you're going to want to go to your Merchant Services tab here, and once you click that, you'll be brought to this page, and you just click on the Buy Now button. Okay, I'm just waiting for the page to load. Okay, so as you can see, you could choose a button type of Buy Now, donation, subscription. We're going to choose Buy Now here. Item name, you put the product name here. For this example, I'll just say testing. And item ID, this is optional. This is for your tracking purposes. I'm going to skip that. The price, for this example, let's just say $17. Currency, let's choose the most popular, which is US dollars. And here you can customize the button. So right now this is what it looks like. You could add your own image. For example, you could add the image from the actual sales page and add it here. But for now, I'm just going to skip this. And everything here looks good. Step 2, track inventory, profit and loss, optional. That I skip. And then I just go to step 3. And there's only one change I make here on step 3, which is where it asks you to add the link for the download page. You could skip all this if you like, and that's what I'm going to do just for this example, but usually I would put a check mark here, and I would insert the link, the URL, to the download page, so that when they finish paying, the customer is brought to the download page. Okay, but for now I'm just going to skip that. And let's create the button. So just press the button here where it says create button, and there you go. So this is the code that you're going to add to your sales page, and this is what it looks like.